सर इस पे हम मेरा ट्रांसफर हुआ है तो ऑर्डर्स कभी भी आ सकते हैं इस हफ्ते में, तो मैं ये सुन नहीं सकता अभी।
Lordship, मेरा humble submission है. I would like to draw your kind attention on your last 3 orders kindly, please. About the pending IAs, please. Lordship, IA number 8248 2025 and IA number 4656 2025. Respondent seeks a direction to the petitioner to pay the undisputed admitted amount. Issue notice accepted by the learned counsel for the petitioner who pray for the time to take instructions. Reply be filed by 21st June 2025. In the meantime, Honorable Court grant the interim relief to me. In the meantime, in the case there is any amount which is admitted by the petitioner as payable to the respondent, same shall be paid to the respondent before the next date of hearing without the requirement of any security. However, in the case of amount is disputed, the dispute shall be so spelled out in the reply to be filed by the petitioner. List the week commencing 23rd June. In the next order, Lordship. Order dated.
सर अभी my difficulty is आपकी बहस सुन लूंगा, इनकी भी बहस सुन लूंगा, उसके बाद रिजर्व कर दूंगा और बाद में रिलीज कर दूंगा।
लॉर्डशिप, मैं पूरा केस सुनाने के लिए प्रेस भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ प्रेस कर रहा हूँ पेंडिंग आईएएस जो ऑलरेडी ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने मुझे इंटरिम डायरेक्शन देके मेरे फेवर में दी है, एडमिट भी किया है, एंड दिस miscellaneous appeal revision is not maintainable because
I'm not going to go into all that.
I'm not going to merit of this.
You can argue the whole day. I will resolve. And then after that, after 2-3 days, when my order comes, I'll release it.
Lordship, मैं पूरे केस के लिए प्रेस भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं पार्शली अलो करने की रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ। मेरा रिक्वेस्ट ये लॉर्डशिप ऑलरेडी रिप्लाई आ चुका है, आए का रिप्लाई आ चुका है।
Why aren't you released?
So far as the amounts which are concerned, my lord, certain amounts have been released to him. Now he says that there are more amount which are otherwise admitted by us. So my lord, I was like wanted to argue the matter finally, my lord, because that will end the controversy. Because in interim level, my lord, to ensure that we keep on giving him money, because what we have done, my lord, we have already released a certain amount. ऐसा नहीं that he has not been paid anything.
No, lordship, it is the settled position of the law. If there is amount which is undisputed and admitted by the petitioner, it must be paid before going any further activity. So मेरा तो request है कि और an already honorable court is directed. This is the simply abuse of the process of the law, lordship. Only just to avoid my legitimate payment.
This is the problem. Non-legal
entire awarded amount along with interest up to date. वो हो गया है?
हाँ, उनको pay हो गया ना?
That is done. एक मिनट आप रुकिए. Then failing with so and so, subject to respondent furnishing an affidavit of undertaking that subject to the outcome of petition restitution, the amount deposited by the petitioners be permitted to be released. वो भी हो गया है, उसमें भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Then वो dispose of है. फिर notice is accepted, let the same be filed. It is directed that the application shall be taken. इसमें क्या है?
My I-7491 is a pending before the Honorable this court, and the 7491 is a admitted, undisputed extra item quantity which is.
सर इनको 30 लाख रुपए 30,76,000 रुपए का पेमेंट हुआ 27/6/2025 को. उसके बाद सर वी डिपॉजिटेड एडिशनल.
अनडिस्प्यूटेड अमाउंट कितना है?
Undisputed admitted amount is 76 lakh plus interest till now and 10 lakh.
कितना मिला है उसमें से?
इसमें से ₹1 नहीं मिला lordship. इसमें not a single penny. And already
we'll ask them to furnish a bank.
And lordship, I would like to read his letter. I would like to his letter.
एक मिनट. We'll ask them to furnish a bank guarantee for about 80 lakhs.
My lord, please to consider page number in the column, my lord, serial number 32, my lord. That is IA number, document number, serial number 32 in that list, my lord.
Just a moment. Yes.
That is arbitration revision 75/2023.
Yes.
Now in this, my lord, if my lord may please to see, this is a covering memo to the demand draft which was paid as latest as in June 2025. Now this is that there is a demand draft connected to it, my lord. Now according to us, this is the amount which is required to be paid, my lord, to him. Now he says that there was additional amount of rupees 1 lakh something which was in terms of cost, which was awarded by the arbitration tribunal. Now, if my lord may please to see further below, my lord, that is at serial number 38. Serial number 38, my lord, on that list. Now we additionally paid, my lord, on 29/7/2025, we paid 1,89,000. So we have been paying, my lord. It's not that we have not complied with the order. Now he says there are certain more amounts which are required to be. What I say, my lord, then let the matter be argued finally.
No, lordship.
We cannot be kept on paying, my lord, in interim, my lord, that everything is to be settled during the course of
If there is
interim.
an admitted amount, why should you not pay?
My lord, the fact is, my lord, that the amount which we are paying, my lord, it is according to us, that is the admitted amount from our side. So therefore, we are paying.
Yes, Lordship. Thank you very much. Thank you for granting this opportunity to me. I would like to draw your kind attention. Is their own letter, Lordship, number 1. The annexure number P41, page number 155 of my paper book, number 1. I would like to read this, their own P41, page number 155 of my paper book.
एक मिनट वो खुल ही नहीं रहा.
My paper book, sir.
Page number
155, P41. This is altogether different amount. जो amount
getting the document. Can you just fish out the document?
yes, I can give my this.
Not yours. Wait a minute.
कौन से
नहीं
साल?
मैं
Which is it, Abhishek? Do you have the digital piece?
My lord, if my lord may just have order sheet dated 8/4/2025, my lord, for a moment. 8/4/2025, the order sheet. एक confusion पे
no.
confusion.
There is no confusion at all. He is
8/4
confusion without any reason.
What reason I will have, my
altogether different amount, Lordship. This is not the awarded amount.
My lord,
which I am telling
please
you.
to see 8/4/2025 order sheet, my lord. In this, it has been mentioned, Shri Vijay Soni, who is the petitioner here, respondent appears in person, relies on calculation sheet dated 15/3/2023, issued by petition number 2. Which shows that as on said date, the amount payable was rupees 44 lakhs. He submits that even as on date, the entire awarded amount.
Lordship is
not
totally
been paid.
altogether different, which he is telling. Lordship, this is the.
ऐसा करिए इसमें बहस की जरूरत.
Lordship, this is not more than 3 minutes. And
All right.
honorable court grant me the whole time today for, and especially.
No, not. I will reserve it, and that's what I'm saying. After 2 days, I will.
But Lordship, my.
Sir, कर दो इसको orders के लिए. We'll see.
Lordship, my humble.
We'll keep it for 4-5 days, and as soon as the order comes, I'll release it. What
But
can
I humbly request you, Lordship.
I'm sorry, you're.
मेरा ये एक दो एक kindly allow to read me this. Kindly allow me.
I refuse.
I humbly request.
Otherwise, I'll release the case.
5 लाइन रीड करने के लिए लॉर्डशिप 5 लाइन रीड करना है मुझे
Another bench कर देना.
लॉर्डशिप मेरा humble submission है I am 82-year-old
Sir, I'm telling
facing this litigation since last 26 years without any substantial relief.
तो ठीक है, रिजर्व कर दो. We'll reserve it for orders.
But लॉर्डशिप मुझे बिना सुने रिजर्व किया जा
तो
सकता
पूरा दिन बहस कर लीजिए आप.
तो मैं तो तैयार हूँ सर बहस करने का तो कोर्ट ने मुझे ग्रांट करना है
बिल्कुल करिए, बिल्कुल.
I am ready to order.
हाँ, बहस कर.
Please. Thank you very much. So, Lordship, the date is 11 March 1999, petitioner number 1 to petitioner number 2. I would like to read, विषय मोगा भूमिगत नहर प्रणाली में निर्माण कार्य में अतिरिक्त मात्रा एवं अतिरिक्त आइटम. यहाँ लिख रहे हैं सर पैरा नंबर, उपरोक्त विषय में मोगा भूमिगत नहर प्रणाली का निर्माण कार्य में सुदर्शन कंस्ट्रक्शन मक्सी द्वारा किए जा रहा है. नहर परीक्षण में पाया गया है कि नहर के संचालन
IA number 2000
आइटम मात्रा का
IA number
निष्पादन
2000
किया जाना अत्यंत
which we have filed, my lord. This is my revision, not his. I will have a first right of argument, my lord. I say that I have I am seeking
petition, sir.
Let him
I'm
argue. We'll hear it finally.
IS.
We'll hear the matter finally. Sir. Let him
My lord,
argue.
my lord, this is my lord. There is an IA which we have filed, my lord, seeking extension of time, my lord. If my lord, if my lord may have IA number 2000, my lord.
IA number?
This is IA number 2000/2025, my lord.
When was this filed? It's a serial.
My lord, it
number.
was filed on
Serial number where it is. Which is serial number?
My lord, it was only filed yesterday, my lord.
IA number?
This is 2000/2025. This is,
For
my lord, what has happened, my lord, on 21/8/2025, my lord was pleased to grant us time to file written submissions, my lord.
extension of time.
On 21/2000, my lord, we are seeking additional 4 weeks time, my lord, because the record is voluminous, my lord, so therefore we need to verify all the documents, my lord.
Let's tell you.
Honorable,
There's a, have you served him a copy of that IA?
My lord, it is,
Have you served him a copy?
my lord, that is not visible from the.
Served him a copy. Let him give his reply to that.
under the circumstances, honorable
Yes,
court
sir.
order.
Yes, sir, okay.
The
Learned
case
counsel,
is-
learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed an IA number
2000/2025, my lord.
2000 of 2025, a copy of, for the purpose of extension of time on the grounds of.
On the grounds, my lord,
Grounds of the record.
for compliance of order dated 21/8.
For compliance with order dated 21/8/2025, comma, as the documents are voluminous, full stop. The said application is not reflected in the digital file of the court, full stop. And neither has a copy have been furnished to the learned respondent who appears in person.
But-
Under the circumstances, the petitioner is requested to hand over a copy of the said application to the learned counsel for the respondent, for the respondent. He's given 1 week's time to file his reply to that.
Lordship, honorable court is already ordered for cost. अगर input is already ordered किया है,
consider उसके
under
बाद
the
cost-
circumstances, list this case under the same head on this. If on the next date of hearing the reply is not filed, it shall be the discretion of the court whether to close the right of the petitioner to file a reply or allow the same with having cost. तो लॉर्डशिप ऑलरेडी ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने 28 जुलाई को
सर आप जो है रिप्लाई दे दीजिए, उसके बाद the cost will be considered and paid to you.
But Lordship, I humbly request, today I am here for argue on my pending IS. मैं सिर्फ आय पे pending आय पे बहस करना चाहता हूँ, not on full petition, and which is
This case would require extensive arguments. One of us, within bracket Abshiek in jail, is under transfer to the High Court of Chhattisgarh, and that notification can come any day. Full stop. Under the circumstances, this court feels it appropriate to give a short date so that the matter may come up before a new bench in due course. इसको 7-10 के लिए डाल देगा, but under the same head, under the same and as item on top of the list कर.
सर 7 अक्टूबर को मेरी वाइफ का जन्मदिन है, अगर आप कृपा करके चलेगा
6 अक्टूबर के लिए डाल दो, 6 अक्टूबर को टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट कर.
लॉर्डशिप, मेरा हम्बल सबमिशन था, मैं कंटिन्यूस पिछले 5 तारीख से लगातार बिना नागे के आ रहा हूँ, ओनली फॉर द
Why are you saying this? I would have heard it, I would have had no problem. But then I am not hearing any case जहाँ पर even if it is an IA, जहाँ सुनने के IA में भी ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पर सुनने के बाद उसको रिजर्व करना पड़ता है ऑर्डर्स के लिए. किसी भी मैटर में मैं रिजर्व नहीं करना चाह रहा था, उसके बाद क्योंकि रिलीज ही करना है उसके बाद. That is a different.
My eye is very simple, Lordship. And admit it.
टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट 6 तारीख को टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट पे कर दिया है बहस करने.
काइंडली ये फिक्स डेट करवा दीजिए लॉर्डशिप, एंड इससे फर्दर आगे एडजर्नमेंट के लिए अलो ना किया जाए लॉर्डशिप.
वो ना बेंच जो भी बैठेगा उसके सामने आप यू कैन ऑलवेज refer the new bench to the orders passed earlier. So and then you can say
Because
that,
Lordship, I am 82-year-old suffering from several diseases.
sir, I understand you said that time and again. We empathize with you, but the difficulty is this. So the new bench that would come up, you can say that